Okay, we're getting a retest here. Now, if it breaks above this area, then I might likely invest into a call. I'm getting a short ready just because, or let's just say put. Some people get offended by that, but just because if this does end up coming back and recovering over here, then that would be a valid bounce. Not saying that I'm going to invest when it does, saying that I would like to see it break this high, hit around this area, come back down for a good deal, and then it pushes up. Um, you see that I have my order ready. That means I do not have it. This is with the account we're going to start the $1,000 account challenge. Um, I am going to only be investing probably less than this. Probably going to push it down to 4. I got the order ready because for the safety of it actually starting to drop. Now if it breaks below that, I'm going to let it alert me really quick. And also, I already got my alert there. I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab my double shot espresso real quick. And I'm eating a Gatorade energy bar right now. So, some kind of energy chews or whatever. But yeah, I'll be right back. Move, Ripple. Oh, alert went off. I am back. Gosh, alright. Let's see, I'm still like half asleep, half awake. I couldn't even open my coffee. Okay, I can't wait any longer. It was just too intense. I'm not gonna put it in yet. It's remember when the candle closes. That when the candle closes is when you get your full confirmation. If it doesn't close, um, below that line like that, then I would still be a little nervous. Now it is breaking lows here, so I'd watch out. But for the safety, I just want to see what it's going to be doing. I think that now we should be good to go. Okay, there we go. We're shorting it. I'm not making much. I'm making 12 bucks. That is around 2.31%. Now I'm up 2.69%. We're making 14 bucks. 18 bucks. We're up 3.46%. I'll video my phone also because I'm on it as well. I'm up 5% right now, $26. You guys can see here, $36. We're up 6.92%. We're going to let it keep pushing just a little bit. We're going to find its near support. It's found a really strong support area here. Obviously, it's a previous support. Now, it does like to come back to its, I think that it'll turn around here and then start to try to break lows or go up more. We're up 7% though on the day, which is, that's really good. Oh, crap. 7% is definitely okay to be cut. Like if you want to cut profits, there's nothing wrong with cutting profits. I got these drawings everywhere. Um, yeah, you can see that kind of curl that it made. Um, Honestly, the long-term chart, I think it could come down to this 278 area. 278 seems reasonable, and if you go to that 4-hour, 180 day, you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. So it pushed up overnight a little more than expected. I'm going to remove that. I could see that. You see, overnight it pushed around to this area around here, and then came back down to this area. Is what I think it should be doing. Is coming back down to this area, the 278 or 279 area. It's creating a flag. We're going to see if this flag keeps breaking lows. There we go. Now we should be coming back down. See, I was waiting to see if it's going to break above, because if it breaks above this area, then it could do one of those 100% recoveries all the way back up to where it came from. That's what you want to watch out for. Now if this closes below here, then we are set to go for another run. I'm going to create an alert. I'm not exiting my position just yet, but if this starts to consolidate too much, then I'll definitely be out. With a 8% profit, we're up $42 on the 600. I wish I could show you the profit itself or the percentage gain itself. It's not letting me show you that on here, but I'm recording it on my phone, so you should be able to see it on there. We're up 8. Oh, went back down to 692. 8.46% profit. Getting some alerts going off. That was my phone. I have alerts on that too. 8.85%. We're close to 10% profit. So we broke lows. Now we should be continuing going down. People are trying to buy here because they think it's a really good deal. You can see that candle is pulling back quite a bit. If I go to the 5-minute chart, check out what's going on. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut my profits. It's at 11% gain here. So we're gonna cut right there, 11.15%, 12.69%. Where are we at? Alright, I placed that order, that trade on my phone. Yeah, let me replace because it's trying to go back right back up. Let's see. Alright, my order's not wanting to be filled. I hate when this happens. This is the worst. I keep canceling to try to get my order filled. It's not filling. Oh, there it goes. It's filled. Alright, so we were up at one point. We were up 12%, and I'll get that video footage on there right now. I think I cut it off with the 6% profit, pretty close to it. I didn't want to really trade too much. I didn't want to go too big. Yes, I think this is going to pull up, probably pull back down. I cut it for the safety of, you see this candle that completely engulfed the entire flag? This probably will end up pushing back up, and if it does, then I'm going to set my alert here. If this alert goes off, then most likely it's heading back up to its area, back up to here. And I might just video this just to show you. It doesn't have to. If it starts rejecting, then yeah, it's going to probably break lows. But there was a lot of buyers here, like I mentioned, when that big candle started pulling back. And then we had this full-on like green engulfing candle, basically. It engulfed 3 different candles. But now see, we get the reversed effect where it's the bears are completely engulfing the buyers. So bears are pretty strong in this trend, is what it's trying to say. So it probably will continue to go lower. Of course, you got to wait for the close of the candle. Some buyers like to wait for the good deal, so usually it will pull back before they all snatch it up. That's why you wait for the close. And we got this timer up here at the top left. Like 1 minute candle should see. There we go. 1 minute candle should close every minute on the day trading chart. So every minute that passes by, you just count these to 60 seconds, and you should be good with that. If this goes to another engulfing candle, then I would probably buy in for a call all the way back up. Now, it probably won't, but I have seen SPY do that a lot. It actually tends in the consolidating areas where it makes reverses or turnarounds. It usually does do these like full engulfing candles, like 4 of them at a time, like one after another, and it's pretty annoying because, you know, it would definitely, if you're in the trade, it's pretty annoying. Like right here, it was trying to go up, making these engulfing candles, then a bear came in, engulfed the whole candle, and then pushed it down. Like we're getting here. That's why you just wait and watch, because that it's annoying in a way. But yeah, we cut a 6% profit today. Wasn't much. We turned about how much did we invest? Trade history for the day. Alright, so our trade history is right here. We bought 4 of them. We bought them at $1.30 and we sold it at $1.37. It was a put, a 280 strike, and then a 7 expiration. And like I said again, I buy out those expirations that are like that are 2 days to a week expiration, so that the theta won't tear up your money if you do have to hold it for a little bit longer than expected. Um, oh, there it goes. Let's go watch this. Look at that. 100% recovery. It is now trending back up, and it's going to either try to retest this area, then come back down, or it's going to break above this area. But this candle most likely will touch the 281.07, or at least with the next candle. Not saying, I mean, there was a week I hit 20% every day. If the trading style, if that trading style of that day is worth it, obviously I'm going to take that 20% or even higher. I've done way higher than that. Uh, but just to stay consistent and sell at previous resistance, and seeing like certain candles and what they do, I like to cut for a secure profit. And for example, if I didn't cut my profit, you know what I'd be making right now? It would probably be negative. I'd probably be down about 2% right now, if I didn't cut that profit. So that green candle right there did validate a full engulfing flag, or a full engulfing candle for that bear flag. That pullback, I called it out immediately. I said, okay, that pullback is very dangerous. There's a lot of buyers coming in. We have an engulfing candle. It came back for a good dill, like I just said. Most bulls like to wait for that good dill in, range anyways. It pushes up, and now it's pushing right back to where we traded before. Whether or not it gets rejected there and pushes down, that's on it. It just closed above it and opened above that support, so most likely it's going to continue its trend back up, come back down for a good deal, and then start pushing up again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you can learn from my lesson and from what I have been preaching basically, and I hope this video was worth watching. Yeah, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. See you guys.